Hey guys, Choral Game here, and welcome to another Harvestmoon Animal Parade walkthrough from Wii console. And this time we already got the house, a very creepy looking house with holes everywhere and very creepy. But today I'm gonna be showing you around. So as you can see here on the right side over here, you will find some hot spring that you can use to regain your stamina when you run out of stamina, of course. And back here there used to be some mushrooms here sometimes, so you can pick it up and sell it. And the interesting part of this Harvestmoon is actually the land is like used land, you know. There's already some turnips here that you can just harvest it and sell it. This is the shipping bin, and boom, just sell it. Aha, quite a cheat there. And then you can also water the crops that already planted here. There you go. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is though. I think it's a potato. And there you go. Quite easy. So you can spend the money for another thing instead of buying some some seeds, because you already have some here. Boom, done. And then we're gonna go to the town to see the mayor. Alright guys, so here we are in Harmonica Town. So beautiful, very beautiful town. And we are here to find the mayor. Yeah, there you go, that's the mayor in the town hall. Just gonna get in there. Hopefully he'll be in there. Yep, there he is, sitting on his couch with his town hall after gave us some creepy looking house. Why don't you go introduce yourself to everyone in town? Alright, don't forget to visit the church on the top here, of course. Alright, so guys, that's our first task. We have to meet everyone in town, and we're just gonna do that. Alright guys, before it becomes a hobby to meet everyone in town or to meet everyone in the world, we're just gonna end this for this part of the walkthrough, and see you in the next walkthrough. Ciao!